Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the best way to create a GIF. So let's get started. The service which we are gonna use is called Giphy. So search it on Google and click on first site. This is its desktop site from where you can search and download GIFs according to your need. It also has an app in both Android and iOS. You can download any GIF by selecting the option Save Image As. You can also directly share GIFs on different social media platforms or directly copy the GIF link. Now to create a GIF from a video, click on Upload at top, and to use this feature, you have to create your Giphy account. After verifying your email, log into Giphy and now you can upload video to create its GIF. I will be creating a GIF from this video to upload to my YouTube channel. After choosing GIF, click on Continue to upload. Now your GIF is ready and you can download it. When you download it, it saves in .mp4, which is not the correct format. So to fix this, just click on Edit and Done. After that, it will save our edits, and now when you click on Download, it will download in .gif format, which is correct. I hope my video was helpful to you, and in my next video I will show you how to compress a GIF, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.